Hi KW agents, Tom Olszewski here with Marketing on a Dime. In this video, I'm going to review how to set up a group and the importance of groups and how to use groups. So first off, we want to go to mykw.kw.com and log into the eEdge system. Okay, the purpose of groups is basically to separate and differentiate the contacts in your eEdge database. It allows you to easily communicate with individual groups, set them up on campaigns, and do other marketing to them. So to get to groups, groups are under the contacts. So if you view contacts, you can get to the group setup. Okay, so over here we have a link, manage groups. So to manage groups, this is what we want to do. Click on it, and you have a list of all of the various groups that you're working with in your database. Okay, so again, at a bare minimum, you're going to probably want to have buyer 8x8, seller 8x8, and 33 touch. This allows you to put different contacts into these groups and start marketing. You only have, or you're limited to 25 different group names, so you want to choose these very carefully. There are ways around, which I'll show you in a second, as far as how to expand contact definition. But anyway, okay, first off, to create a group, very simple. Come into the blank field here, type in the name of your group, okay, and then save it. Okay, and now we have test group. That's the one I just loaded. And you can also see how many contacts you have in each of the various groups. So in test groups, just created it. It's now at 0. Since I really don't want to keep this one long term on my system, to delete a group, very simple. Come over to the X and click on it, and that group goes away. So the importance and how to use groups is primarily when you're importing data. Be very easy to just, if you have a separate database of buyers, sphere of influence, and you want to import those into your eEdge system, it's very easy if you assign a group to those imported contacts. So on the import contact page, here are all your groups, and this is where you want to define where these contacts are going to be placed. Now I mentioned about you only have 25 groups. Okay, so if you want to add differentiation to a contact, if I look at an import, create a new contact screen, you have types. You have buyer, seller, agent, renter, investor, vendor. So as an example, if I'm working with a seller and it's a new prospect lead and it happens to be a short sale, I can put short sale in this field, and that will differentiate this contact as it gets imported into the system. And you can also do searches on that subcontact type. So if I come over here to the contact subtype and I click on short sales, I can very easily find the contacts that I've been working with who are potential short sales. So that's it about groups and how to use groups. I hope that's been helpful. Have a great day.